Today is day 6 of Detox Your Life, and today we're talking about our laundry room. So, have you ever thought about what's really going on with your laundry products and how they affect your health? So, let's dive into why detoxing your laundry room is so important for you and your family. So, laundry detergents, fabric softeners, and dryer sheets may leave your clothes smelling fresh, but they're often filled with chemicals that are anything but fresh for your health. So these products can leave toxic residue on your clothes, which are then absorbed into your skin, the largest organ of your body, causing long term exposure to harmful ingredients. So, what's lurking in your laundry products? Fragrances, often made from phthalates and synthetic chemicals that disrupt hormones and trigger allergies. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS, a harsh detergent that can irritate your skin and eyes. Optical brighteners, chemicals that make clothes appear whiter but don't actually clean them. These can irritate skin and harm the environment. So then there's quartz, and this is a compound found in fabric softeners and dryer sheets. These can cause respiratory and skin issues. So every time you wear or sleep on fabrics washed with these chemicals, you're exposing your body to toxins. Over time, this can lead to allergies, hormone imbalances, and even chronic health issues. So, what's the solution? Well, switch to natural detergents. Look for products labeled non toxic, fragrance free, and biodegradable. Ditch fabric softeners and dryer sheets. Instead, use wool dryer balls. I love mine, which naturally soften clothes and reduce static. And the cat can use them later for a toy. Add a few drops of essential oil to the dryer balls if you want a light, natural scent, and only 10 minutes in the last part of the dryer cycle. Read labels carefully. Choose laundry products with short, simple ingredient lists you can actually understand. So, by detoxing your laundry routine, you're not just protecting your own health, you're also creating a safer home environment and reducing your impact on the planet. So, cleaner laundry means cleaner living. Today, I challenge you to take a look at your laundry products. If they're full of unpronounceable chemicals or strong synthetic fragrances, it's time for a change. Replace them with natural detergents and swap out those dryer sheets for wool dryer balls. Your skin, your health, and the environment will thank you. So, are you ready to detox your laundry routine and feel good about what's going next to your skin? Let's make that switch today.